person turning northward by ancient design.
First short yoko set in place on the left.
Then tate bow down from above comes next.
Then 下から持ち上げ for a rising foot.
Next, a stroke like katakana no no on the right.
Last 縦曲げ跳ね downstroke bend and hook. Hoku is the on.
Hokkyoku, the North Pole.
北東七星
Northern Dipper.
南北
South to north, the span.
北方
Northward direction.
敗北
Defeat, you lose.
北 north 北 turn in defeat.
In compound words, these meanings fuse.
北 is the kun you'll hear.
Kita north, its meaning clear.
北風 north wind.
Kita muki,
北向き
facing north.
where outdoor shadows begin.風強いね。あれ、風避けてくれてるの？
別にたまたまや。
もう素直じゃないんだから。
北向きのホームは寒いやろ。
そうだね。The north wind is strong today. Wait, are you blocking it for me?
Not really, I just happen to be standing here.
Oh, you just won't admit it.
North-facing platforms are cold.
Yeah, they are. The on.
Turn towards north, your face towards me. I'll be the shelter you'll not want to leave.
北 The kun.
The north wind's a ghost, but our fire is true. It's cold to the north, but my true north is you.
北